Working with Worksheets. Working with worksheet ranges. Each cell is represented by a cell address. A group of cells can be referenced using a reference operator. There are two types of reference operators. Range. A range reference refers to all the cells which are between including the reference. A cell range reference contains two cell addresses separated by a colon. The range reference C1 colon C4 includes cells C1, C2, C3 and C4. Union. A union reference consists of two or more cell addresses separated by a comma. It includes two or more references. For example, the reference B7, C7, D7 refers to cells B7, C7 and D7. Using range names in formula. Range of cells is used when we have to work with large amount of data. For example, if a column in the worksheet contains the income of employees, it will be required again and again for calculating the total salary of all employees or calculating the average salary and so on. So, it is always convenient and efficient to name this range meaningfully and use the name of the range instead of the cell coordinates. Advantages of naming a range. Easy to remember. Easy movement in worksheet. Easy to use. Helpful in linking. Creating a range name. Steps to create a range name. Select range of cells which you want to be named. Click on the Formulas menu and choose the Name option. Choose the Define option from the Name sub-menu. Type the name of the range in the workbook text box. Click on the OK.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.